ਅਗਲਾਵਾ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਨ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਪਸੂੜੀ ਨੂੰ right I kind of never realized कि ये जो line है ना ये मेरी ज़िंदगी को somehow explain करेगी which is really strange and we'll get to there by the end hopefully. So my name is Hashim Ali and I want to tell you all that I'm a major failure. I have failed many times in life and I fail every day and I'm very proud of it. You know, because होता क्या है कि usually when we talk about things we've achieved, we always talk about all the, beautiful, shiny things we have done, all the things we've achieved for Pakistan, we've achieved for ourselves, but we never really talk about all the failures. We never really talk about the fact that, like they explained, I worked on a song called Pasuri, but which made Pakistan a great name internationally and also gave us some of the highest numbers on YouTube for a song. But on the same breath, I hope they mentioned that I worked on the biggest flop film of Pakistani history, a film that was so unwatchable that even we couldn't watch it, And I'm proud of that. And interestingly enough, I usually don't name the thing, but यहाँ पे वो इतना sense बनता है उसका because it's called देख मगर प्यार से. So something that I needed to learn about myself as well, to look at myself but with love. आमना ने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली that, when you actually find yourself and you find the pieces of you that you've lost, you actually find yourself and your talent. So इसी तरह मेरे साथ क्या problem था? My problem actually started in A levels. So goody two shoes middle child who always wanted to be perfect, always wanted to be Hermione Granger, and always wanted to be at the top of the class, hand up. हर मेरे academic class में I never by the way got great marks. So फजूल में कर रहा था मैं सब कुछ. But with that, I wanted to be perfect. कि perfection क्या होती है? मुझे perfection achieve करनी थी. The thing that happened was, my dad's a diplomat, तो हम लोगों को shift कर दिया गया to Rome. अब I went from a divisional public school model town, जहाँ पर it's an all-boys school, और मैं आपको, maybe it's shocking for some people, और मेरे लिए तो, according to my therapist, was so much trauma that I don't even acknowledge it anymore. हमें डंडे से मार पिटती थी. So अगर आपको वो पहाड़े बोलते थे उसको जो आपके multiplications होती है, वो क्या होती हैं? 1 दूनी 2, 2 दूनी 4, I guess. उसके ऊपर मुझे नहीं आती, तो वो स्टील का रूलर हमारे टीचर थे, हाथ सीधा करके बहुत प्यार से यूं मारते थे and you would feel this current go up your body. So I was used to that where, आप library की books bag में नहीं रख सकते थे because reading apart from your course book was not allowed. And I go to Italy where your teachers को आप first name से बुला रहे हो. And when I said, Sir John, he would be like, आप sir किसे बोल रहे हैं? I'm John. I'm your friend. And I realized, wait, so teachers are friends? And ये पढ़ाई अच्छी भी होती है. वहाँ पे I realized that I genuinely really liked the arts. और मुझे हमेशा से शौक था, I wanted to be a painter, or I wanted to paint houses, or I wanted to, I don't know, create anything. और मुझे हमेशा बताया जाता था कि ये आपका साइड प्रोफेशन होगा, साइड हसल होगी, वैसे तो आप डॉक्टर बनेंगे या इंजीनियर बनेंगे. और एक लॉयर होते थे तब बहुत ज़्यादा, आई थिंक, आई डोंट नो इफ पीपल से लॉयर एनी मोर, बट डॉक्टर इंजीनियर. एंड मैंने भी कहा ओके ग्रेट. ए लेवल का टाइम आया, ओ लेवल तक तो वी वर अलाउड 10 सब्जेक्ट्स, मज़ा आता था, सब कर लो, मैथ, साइंस, लिटरेचर, आर्ट, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, सब कर लिया. पर जब ए लेवल्स आया एंड आई हैड टू चूज, एंड I went home, and now मेरे में थोड़ा सा आ चुका हुआ था that, the school is nice, the teachers are nice, they're telling me that I can do arts, And I went to my parents and they're like, कोई scene ही नहीं है. Like, you don't know Pakistan, we are your parents, we know exactly what's good for you, and you're going to be a doctor like your entire family. I was like, okay, signed physics, chemistry, biology, and option में arts and English literature. And when it went to the principal, they called me in. They're like, you can't do 5 subjects. You have to do 3 because it's going to be a pressure for you. Surprise, surprise. And then they said that, why don't you do the arts? And I said, because you don't understand. Pakistan mein to arts hai hi nahi. And believe me, this person, who's not even Pakistani, turned around and said, what? I said, no, Pakistan mein art ka koi scope nahi hai. And he asked me one thing, which I'll ask you. What's the color of the sky? Blue, right? I know you are thinking, no, scientifically it's transparent, but blue. Blue, right? And he told me the story of blue. Do you know that the color blue, actually, uska jo dye hai, वो कहाँ से आता है दुनिया में? बलोचिस्तान. बलोचिस्तान और अफगानिस्तान के एरिया में लैपिस लुजूली एक पत्थर मिलता है जो आपके इयरिंग्स में भी डलता है. ब्लू पत्थर होता है, उसमें गोल्ड सी लाइन होती है. उसको पीस के जो रेनेसांस आर्टिस्ट थे, माइकल एंजेलो, लिनार्डो दा विंची, ऑल ऑफ देम, दे यूज्ड टू यूज दैट ब्लू कलर टू पेंट एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स और रिलीजियस थिंग्स. इसलिए वर्जिन मैरी की जो पेंटिंग्स हैं उसमें उसकी रोब ब्लू होती है, बिकॉज दैट कलर इज सो एक्सपेंसिव. इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस फार ऑफ लैंड, in this exotic land, the land of Hindustan of that time or Pakistan of this time, and it is being brought to Europe to being painted on extremely important places. And here I am, a Pakistani, standing there saying, मेरी country में तो art ही नहीं है. And then he said, who is one of the female empresses में, who is one name that you know in history? And I thought, and obviously British school, I said, Elizabeth the First, जो शेक्सपियर के टाइम पे थी. And he said, do you know at that same time, in the Indian region, the South Asian region, there was one empress, Noor Jahan, Jahangir's wife, who was not only an empress of that time, which was unheard of. She was the second wife, many wives of Jahangir, but she was the second wife. She was an older woman. And she was someone who discovered Arke Gulab, ye chudidar pajama jo kind of pehna hai maine, she made the pattern for that. She was the one who forced Jahangir to not bring the Britishers in because they will destroy this region. She said that, you know, आप जहांगीर एक दफा को कुछ rebels पकड़ के ले गए. She literally rode and tried to save him back. So she was an empress. Do we know about her? No. Why? बिकॉज हम जो आर्ट रिलेटेड चीज़ें होती हैं ना, जब हमने पाकिस्तान बनाया हमने उनको साइड पे कर दी, बिकॉज हमने कहा कि हम तो आर्ट को देखेंगे भी नहीं. एंड आर्ट इज द फैब्रिक ऑफ ह्यूमंस, बिकॉज व्हाट इज आर्ट? इट इज योर एक्सप्रेशन. एवरी सिंगल ह्यूमन बीइंग हेयर, सिटिंग हेयर, इज एन आर्टिस्ट. आपने म्यूजिक सुना, आपने डांस देखा, आपने एक इंसान का खाने से प्यार देखा जो वो बनाती हैं. Every person, these are just 3 examples. Every person is an artist, because artist does not mean painting. Artist does not mean music. Artist means any expression with which you want to express. बहुत अच्छी बात की थी असद ने, that we have become a nation with no thought, no हमें कुछ नहीं पता कि हमारा क्या है आगे, प्रोसेस क्या है, हमें चीज़ें क्या है, हमें अपने कल्चर का नहीं पता, हमें हिस्ट्री का नहीं पता, because we've stopped expressing. Because अगर हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तो like I heard all my life, I was a whiny, annoying, सड़ी मिर्च, or you know, I was someone who was just not understanding the world, and I was too small. Because of this teacher who told me the importance of art from Pakistan, I realized मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Because when I was doing my A levels, my dream was like 99.9% of people sitting here, get great marks and get out of Pakistan. Get into a great university, जाऊंगा, वहाँ रहूंगा, I'll get into big universities and मैं वापस तो आऊंगा ही नहीं, वहाँ पे रहूंगा, I'll have lots of opportunities. But I decided to stay back. I went to National College of Arts, and after that, I said no. I want to know about these stories because this is my identity. I want to create these stories. And the more I thought about them, the more I read about them, I realized that ye Pandora's box might be a small word. It's like a black hole. You go into it, you can never come out. There's stories which are waiting to be told. And stories which are not as old as your Sadats and Mantos and Noor Jahans and Indus Valley civilization. There's stories right now. People who are doing things for Pakistan, people who are doing things for South Asia, who need to be told, who need to be understood. And how can we not do this? If I leave this country, then I am part of the problem. Because I am taking the easy way out, and I am going to a place where already 6 niches bani hui hain. I will fit into one niche, I will start doing that, और खत्म हो जाएंगी. और उस टाइम पे क्या आया? Your great friends, the snakes, who tell you that, भाई गलत सोच रहे हो, fanciful सोच रहे हो, तुम लकी हो गए हो, तो तुम्हें इसलिए अच्छा लग रहा है, but क्या करोगे? You want to do what? And I said, I want to be an art director. Now, art director, if any of you know, have zero respect, had zero respect in the field of fashion. People considered them carpenters. People considered them background people जो set बनाते हैं, you know. And then at the same time, film में क्या होता है that जब art director को बुलाया जाता है, तो उसको बुलाया जाता है, अच्छा मैंने फिल्म बनानी है, मुझे एक ग्लास ला दो, मुझे 2 कुर्सियां ला दो, मुझे पीछे 2 पर्दे टांग दो, and that's it. And I said no. I want to do this for the world because we have done this. We have created things like the miniature painting जिसमें इतनी detail है कि वो एक बंदा नहीं बनाता, 100 लोग मिलके एक painting बनाते हैं. Why can't we do these projects where everybody works together and let's not be selfish and work for this nation, this land which has given us so much and we only give it disdain. So I said, I'll be an art director. Let's get into this and dekhi jayegi. Do my first project. I worked on this play. I was in NCS second year. It was called Corpse Bride. Agar kisne Tim Burton ki film dekhi ho to. It was a Tim Burton film-based thing. I was directing it, and I said, I'm gonna make this revolving set. People are gonna come on set, or set यूं घूमेगा, और ये हो जाएगा, और वो हो जाएगा. And I told all my cast, and everybody's like this. And believe me, when we're shooting it, there was no revolving set. I just had really base actors, and it was a horrible experience. And a person who was used to being praised and being perfect felt so small. And my friends and everybody who knew me, there was a joke, Hashim ka revolving set. There was even a friends group that was called Hashim ka revolving set. You know, जिसके ऊपर ये होता था, ये set नहीं घूमेगा तुम्हारा. तो कभी भी कुछ होता था ना, तो Hashim का revolving set नहीं घूमेगा. उसी time पे, I got a call from a friend of mine who said that I'm working on this film, and do you want to be a stylist on it? I said, great, let's try it. Did that film, like I said, one of the most unwatchable films. But I'll tell you what, I am so proud of these 2 projects because what happened was they broke me to the core. They broke me and they made me realize that if I don't fail, if I don't fall on the ground, I will never, ever, ever learn. Because मैं तो उसी पटरी पे चलता रहूँगा जिस पटरी पे लोग चल रहे हैं. I'll be walking so, safely कि मैं कभी कुछ separate नहीं करूँगा. So अगर हम पसूड़ी की तरफ आते हैं, तो even when Pasuri came through, and this is many, many years later, and now I'm working in the field, and people kind of know me, and this Coke Studio thing comes in, and they're like, there's this song, it's called Pasuri. But Pasuri became for me this thing where I said, बाकी तो गाने जो भी हैं, इसमें ये line है, अगलामा मजबूरी नो, आन जान दी पसूड़ी नो. मैं कहा, that's my life. मैंने कभी मजबूरी को आग नहीं लगाई है, मैं मजबूरी में डाला है अपने आप को. तो I was like, I will make it into something that South Asians will be proud of, that showcases us, from the fabrics to the visuals to everything. It should speak to us. And believe me, जब ये हम कर भी रहे थे, तो there was this question that started. What is our culture and what is our tradition? आपने बहुत दफ़ा देखा होगा Instagram पे, you put up a picture, or actually our generation does that a lot. I think younger generation is much more tolerable. But कि ये हमारा कल्चर नहीं है, ये हमारा कल्चर ही नहीं है, ये तो पाकिस्तानी कल्चर ही नहीं है, तो जी बाहर का कल्चर है. But what's the difference between culture and tradition? Your culture is something which is now. Me wearing this, Amna wearing that, you guys wearing whatever is technically part of our culture, because culture is a breathing, living being that's changing every single day. Tradition is something that's passed down. So when people on Pasuri, when we were designing it, they started saying, "Ab ye to culture nahi hai hamara. Ye to." If I'm seeing people around me do these things, if we have these things happening in our tradition and also our culture, why can't we talk about it? So when you get into these things, when you question and you become so stubborn that no, I will learn about my identity, I will learn about who I am, and I will root myself on this land that is literally the root of civilization and become a little tree for others to take shade and for others to go through, then you succeed. Otherwise, there's no point. आप एक बहुत बड़े सारे पॉन्ड में एक छोटी सी मछली बन सकते हो, या आप एक बहुत छोटे से पॉन्ड में एक बहुत बड़ी मछली बन सकते हो. एंड द डिसीजन इज योर्स. और इसमें दोनों तरह से कोई गलत नहीं है चीज़. सो this is me, a happy failure, and someone who's very happy. Who is proud of being who he is, who's proud of my history, who's proud of my shared history with humanity, and who's proud to be here, even in the economic failures and everything around us, which is failing. Because I know if we are failing, we're going to go up. Because if we are up, then we're going to go down. Simple. But what needs to happen is you guys. I am nothing without you guys. Amna is nothing without the youth. And I don't mean just these in words. I have seen this, I have experienced this. I can only do so much. Amna can do so much. Now it's you guys who are going to be getting out of school, who are going to be deciding their careers, and who should think that every single thing that you want to be, that you want to do, is possible. Few years back, Choti Si Cheez, we have these award shows in Pakistan, and हमारे एक Hum TV network है, and एक Lux Style Awards होते थे. So Lux Style Awards में, me being me, I sent in my portfolio. There was no category for art director. And the people in the jury messaged me and said that, Hashim, they said कि Hashim जैसे लोग कभी nominate नहीं होंगे. And I got really disheartened because our day starts at 6 a.m. and our day ends at, 3 a.m. And I said, how is it possible? But last month, Hum Style Awards started their first category of art directors, and they nominated art directors. So everything's possible. Things where you're a carpenter, and then you become in the foreground. From going through failing to succeeding. But the ball is literally in your court. So be proud of who you are, question yourself, understand the color blue, understand your history, and become great, great future leaders. Thank you.